my name is Connor. I'm a 5th grader. I'm making power with fruits and vegetables. So my question was, will a potato or a lemon or a lime produce enough power to light up a light bulb? My hypothesis is I think all three of the lemons, limes, and potatoes will produce enough power to light up the light bulb. The limes will make the light the brightest, then the lemon the second brightest. The potato will barely produce any power. My experiment is gather together 6 lemons, 6 limes, and 6 potatoes. You also need to get alligator clips, pennies, and galvanized nails, and electrical copper wire. And of course, 1 light bulb with low voltage. Cut 7 pieces of electrical wire, strip both ends to each wire to show the bare copper wire so it can conduct electricity correctly. Put each wire into an alligator clamp. Then squeeze the rubber tightly. Squeeze the pulp. Gently massage each fruit and potato to release the pulp. Make a little slice on each end of every fruit and vegetable. On one end of very fruit and vegetable, put on a galvanized nail and on the slit. On the other end of the fruit and vegetable, put a penny into the slit. Connect the positive and the negative. Connect the positive end of the alligator clip to the penny. Connect the negative end to the galvanized nail. To putting the last positive alligator clip and the last light bulb. Connect will light up. Do step 6 for the lemons, and then the limes, then the potatoes. So, and then my main observation is the light bulb did not light up for the lemon, the limes, and potatoes. The conclude is I think it's possible the light had lit up if it had used more lemons, limes, or potatoes. It takes a lot of electric acid in the fruit and vegetable to make power.
Okay, I'm ready for you to start.
Just like my dad.
the light bulb did not work because I needed more lemons.
Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.